More than 50 women believed to be victims of human trafficking were rescued during an entrapment and rescue operation in Pasig City. A total of 16 individuals were arrested. Although they were not present during the operation, Julie and Miguel Defensor, the wife and son of former Representative Mike Defensor, have been implicated in the case. An Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act case has been filed by the National Bureau of Investigation against them, along with other officials from companies linked to Chicago KTV and Blue Hotel. The operation was carried out after 3 weeks of surveillance, which confirmed the alleged offering of women for sexual services ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 pesos. According to the NBI, transactions were initiated inside the KTV establishment while the actual sexual services took place in hotel rooms connected to a corporation linked to the Defensor family.
Merong secret na passage papunta ron sa hotel, may transaksyon, parang manager yung tawag, tapos magta-transaksyon, pag naayos yung transaksyon, aakyat na doon sa hagdanan sa likod, paakyat diretso rin sa mga kwarto na pinapalabas nila ng hotel.
Authorities say the links between officials of the involved companies are clear.
And upon rescuing them, that's the only time we discovered when seeing the documents. Ito pala, ang mga may-ari, yung asawa nga ni Mike Defensor at anak niya. So yung mga documents revealed na sila yung may mga kinalaman dito, no?
In addition to human trafficking, possible violations of drug laws are also being investigated after authorities recovered evidence from inside the establishment. Meanwhile, Julie Defensor strongly denied the allegations. She maintained that they have no connection to the establishment in question and described the accusations as a smear campaign.
Matter of defense na lang nila yon. So sila yung dumipensa kung maaari na, no? Pwede nila sabihin na hindi nila alam. But still, ikaw yung nagpapatakbo sa establishment mo, dapat alam mo kung ano nangyayari doon.
The rescued women are now under the custody of social welfare authorities. R.R. Tubise from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.